Hello viewers, I'm Wasim Raza from Italy. The uncle of Saman Abbas, an 18 years old Italian-Pakistani girl who went missing after refusing an arranged marriage and is suspected to be murdered, was arrested in Paris on Wednesday on homicide charges. The uncle Danish Snan is one of 5 members of the girl's family who are under investigation over the alleged honor killing. The Pakistani man was detained on the outskirts of Paris under an European arrest warrant. He was tracked down with the help of Carabinieri police investigators based in Reggio Emilia, Italy. Saman Abbas disappeared at the end of April from Novellara near Reggio Emilia after rebelling against her family's demand she have an arranged marriage in Pakistan. The parents and one of her cousins fled from Italy after she went missing. Another cousin has been arrested in relation to the case and is in jail in Italy. Regarding the parents of the girl Saman, Justice Minister Maria Cartabia of Italy has already formally asked the Pakistani government for the extradition of the parents. Since the accused Danish is under investigation, it is expected that the coming days we will come to know whether someone is dead or alive. Till that moment, take care. Bye bye.